What's up, guys? MakeupByKyaaa here. In today's video, it's going to be a vlog of my day today. Today, I'm going to a friend's house. Not my friend, but my friend's friend. And we're going to have a rainbow picnic. And yeah, get in the pool, you know. I'm doing my edges right now because I'm about to do my makeup. I think my time lapse is because it's like whenever I'm filming sit down videos, talking videos, I just hate the way that I be talking. I just feel like it just be so boring. So it's like, what's the point? So today I want to time lapse this video, but if you guys want, you know, me to talk, then I will. So let me know in the comments down below if you enjoy me talking or not, because I don't. But you know, maybe it's just because it's my voice and it's just me. So yeah, let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, time lapse.
I love the way you pop your top and how you lose your mood and how you look at me to say why.
So y'all, I finished my makeup. We're about to go now. That's Erica in the back seat. I'm driving today. And yeah, I need to hurry up to turn on this car.
Oh, I'm about to say it's hot, girl.
Sorry.
Put that in your YouTube.
Why you say it like that?
Oh, my bad.
YouTube?
On the YouTube.
Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna be... Okay, I'm just gonna put this up here. Oh, yes, that's a good angle. Okay, so yeah, we're going to Shanae's house right now. So we're gonna go pick her up. How do I turn this on?
How you don't know her?
I don't know. So this one was about Molly?
Yeah.
So yes, guys, I did get my license. Now you guys know. So. See, that's how I need my nigga to be. You're not my woman, so don't talk to me.
Huh?
That's how I need my man to be. You're not my woman, so don't talk to me.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't like it when niggas be disrespectful to girls just they got a girl here.
Not disrespectful, but standoffish, yeah.
Oh, like, yeah, are they friendly? Oh, no, that's good.
Right.
Alright.
But if she ODing, then that's when you gotta get disrespectful. Just get disrespectful when you have to. That's all I say.
Oh, that's a hood nigga.
Yeah, look like I thought it was though. Kinda cute though.
He got my name.
Y'all see me, perv? Where's my phone?
I'm going crazy.
I'm here. Bring lotion, please. Alright. That was fun. You guys know I love driving, so you know it was lit. Okay. So y'all, we're right now for today, and then she got her snacks and stuff, and then she got a blanket too. Yeah, we on the way now. It kind of look like it's about to rain, but it's okay. It kind of look better on camera. So guys, we're here. We're at Crystal's house. Guys, say hi. Say hi. Oh well, she can't really say hi, but whatever. Yeah, you know, this is the pool area. It's big, it's nice, you know, it's cool. You can sit down over there. And yeah, you know, got a little grill going over there. It's so cute. Waterfront, yeah, perb as we should. Yeah, I hope my camera doesn't die though, to be honest, but yeah. This is the picnic. How cute. So, you know, we got every color except for purple because the girl, she's on the way. But yeah, it's so cute. We got the donuts and all. And then look at the view. Do y'all see this? So nice. I mean, I think I can show y'all, but it's so nice. But yeah, and then look at the rocks. Cool. And she lit some incense. They smelling real good right now.
Oh, wait.
You gon' make it fight. From the horse type of money, make it stay white. Type of money, she gon' let you put it in the fight.
We got this big old speaker here, y'all. We're getting lit. And then it's the food. You know, we ate good eats. That's rice over there. So that's what we're having. That's chicken from Publix. You know, and then look at all the colors. It's so cute. I was going to end the vlog, but I decided to be a good YouTuber. So here we go. We're painting now. So cute. We're painting. Everybody's sketching first. This is mine. I'm sticking to what I know, which is landscape. When painting, landscape is the way to go. But usually I don't map it out. I just do it. But today we're mapping. That's Shanae's. Cute. I'll come back when I'm painting so you guys can see and it's not just, you know, boring. And my camera's not good anyway, so yeah.
Don't stop and stick around. Think you're the type of girl I think over the mama. The type of girl I know your daddy be proud of. Be proud of.
So I just ended up finishing off camera. This is the finished product. I feel like it's missing something, but you know, whatever. I don't feel like adding it right now. And here we are, so cute. I've been playing volleyball and forgot the vlog, so vlogging now. You're gonna see me play volleyball. You guys don't know I play volleyball, so yeah.
The type of girl I wanna turn into my mind. The type of girl that I'm already proud of. Be proud of. Be proud of. Be proud of. I wish you was a normal girl. I wish you was a normal girl.
So guys, we're getting in the pool now. I'm logging off my phone because my camera's about to die. So this is my second time. I was already in, but you know, got out. And I'm sitting on the thing. Ooh, it's not that cold. It's something good. Oh, her picture is so cute. And YouTube, don't take this video down. And don't take me for copyright. I'll fix that, but no, I'm not even fixing it. I don't even know. But yeah, about the speaker because we're getting lit, you know? Gotta get lit. My makeup still looks good, like my nose. I don't know, that's all I be saying, like my nose, because it be so cute. I just love proud of myself for me looking so good, you know? And it's just like, if this part of my face is looking good, I don't care about the rest. So yeah, my makeup is looking good right now as of now. So long, we're playing Uno now. We got out of the pool, we changed our clothes and all. You put that down? You put it down. We're playing Uno now. Don't want to get copyrighted, so you know, I'll cut some parts out.
I don't want to get copyrighted. So for real, if they will copyright me for anything, you guys ask me for videos?
I do, she doesn't.
I do.
Then it would have been Lauren.
Yeah, I can be.
Yeah, it would have been Lauren. Pause play. Ooh, it's my song.